Sorry, the last video cut out. So if I want to put some windows onto my little house, I can take it back to the home view or the front or whatever you're more comfortable working with. Move it to however you like. Click on your shape that you want to have. Click and drag, same as before. So if I want to raise it up a little bit higher, click on this little cone shape thing, and you can see there's some guidelines. So you can see that that's not really level with the other one, but I don't really mind because I'm just showing you, I'm just playing around. Go to your home view again. Okay, so if I want to make them cutouts, make sure that they are back far enough into your shape that it'll actually cut something out. And then you want to click onto the red house shape, hold shift down, click on your see-through box and your other see-through box, and this up here is called group, or you can control G as it says there, that's the shortcut. When you click that, what it'll do is it groups it all together, and you can see that it's cut out my windows. You can make them go all the way through if you wanted to have that happen. I click and put another box there just so I can see it, and if I turn to the side, and I can be able to drag that shape, or I can make it longer that way. See, it's cutting all the way through. And if I click on my red shape, hold shift, click on my see-through shape and group it, you see that the whole thing disappears. But then if I go to my home, I can see that I've cut all the way through, made like a little corridor. Yeah, so that's those grey stripy ones. If you like different shape, for example, this text. So I wanted to write Noah. Enter. And I wanted it to be a hole. I wanted it to be see-through. You can make it see-through by clicking that there. Now I'm just going to use this to angle it 90 degrees so it's facing the front. Click it. I want to move it up. I want to put it on my roof. So I need to make it a bit smaller. Zoom in a bit. Rotate. Angle it using these arrows here. Maybe put it at like a 45-degree angle, like that, and then move it. Stop it. Go. So I can see it's going into my roof. Again, so you click your roof shape, hold shift down, click your Noah, group it, and it's cut Noah into your roof. Not sure if you can see that, but I'll zoom in. Yeah, so it's cut it out. Cool. Okay, well, if you have any questions, and to save it, you just click on that and you just title it anything. We can call it Noah's house. Enter. And it automatically saves it. So then you can just go back to your home page by clicking that Tinkercad. See, that's just saving your work. Click on your Tinkercad. And when you go to your dashboard here, see it comes up like that. Cool. Okay. Thanks, Noah. Bye.